So you have set your availability interval at 30 minutes. This means TidyCal will show times every half hour, regardless of the duration of your booking type. But what if you want your half-hour meetings to always start at the beginning of the hour? Or show 60-minute meetings specifically at 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. only. You can do that by overriding your availability interval settings in TidyCal. Keep watching and I'll show you how. In this video, I will show you how you can display your availability at specific time blocks to help you customize your daily meetings with clients. Let's start with scenario number 1, half-hour meetings to show at the beginning of each hour. Here's how. Open your booking type settings. Set the duration to 30 minutes. Set your meeting padding to 0. Set the first time block to start at 8 a.m. and end at 8:30 a.m. to match the meeting duration. Click Add a new window and add a new time block of 30 minutes. Save the changes. What you will have created is this. All time blocks show at the beginning of the hour. You can also set your time blocks to show at specific hours of the day. That's scenario number 2, half-hour meetings at custom times of the day. Open your booking type settings. Set the duration to 30 minutes. Set your meeting padding to 0. Set the first time block to start at 8 a.m. and end at 8:30 a.m. to match the meeting duration. Set the next time block to start at 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. and another one at 3:30 p.m. and end at 4 p.m. Save the changes. This is what your time blocks will look like. Scenario number 3, 60-minute meetings at specific hours only. For example, 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. only. Open your booking type settings. Set the duration to 60 minutes. Set your meeting padding to 0. Set the first time block to start at 9 a.m. and end at 10 a.m. to match the meeting duration. Set the next time block to start at 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., another one at 1 p.m. and ends at 2 p.m. And lastly, 3 p.m. up to 4 p.m. Save the changes. Your time blocks will look like this. Notice that your meeting padding is always set to 0. Meeting paddings are designed to give you time to document your previous meeting or prepare for the next one. Since your windows of time have time gaps, it is no longer necessary. And that's it. You now know how to show custom time blocks on your TidyCal, overriding your availability interval settings. If you have questions about this video, please feel free to send an email to originals@appsumo.com or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.